pretty excited about this, and especially some of our accounts are very close by to this office of ours, and we are even planning to have them at our office as soon as things open up and as soon as one of us is there. It's possible. We will be in Dubai in our new office, and looking forward to meeting our Dubai crew in our office very soon. So with that, wishing each and everyone the best of luck with this new office. Let's make it ours. Let's grow it. Let's make it more relevant. Thank you. Thank you all.
Shubhani, Rajesh, thank you, and the team, the entire team, okay, for attending this virtual inauguration ceremony. So there are few of us in our office. We are very excited also. This is the second virtual or third virtual gatherings that's happening here. It's a great achievement. Okay, that's what I want to represent here. The reason is in the COVID situation. Okay, we are able to find a suitable place where there are multiple challenges which is addressed, and the challenges highlighted which we were facing earlier was also resolved. So it's a good teamwork, I would say. Different department leaders were contributing to this. I'm not naming them actually, they know who all contributed it. And the decision taken, the time taken to take decision is very fast, it's a very good one. And now we are here. It's a good team effort from the leadership side and others as well. So it's a good thing. I think we are going to inaugurate. Well done, the entire team.
It gives me great privilege to say a few words. First of all, thank you to Subhani, Rajesh, Malini, BVK, and rest of the leadership team. I've got a fantastic named office here in Dubai, and all wishes that it prospers and grows. In this process, I would also want to thank Munir and Sharina, and look forward to their extendable support, and also Mr. Rajiv and Femi, yeah, as well as Shaji for all the extended support.
Thanks, Sandeep.
In this occasion, I would like to say thanks to all of us to support us. I expect the support and cooperation in the future also. So thank you very much.
Having an office in Dubai is definitely a great, it was a dream for me. You know, my current sales team and the folks, the fresh community out here in Test House would, sound as if I'm exaggerating things, but it is not. You know, the year from 2010 to 2014, before this hotspot and tethering and all had come out, you know, I had a challenging time working out of Dubai because it was not so easy to get a hold of Wi-Fi without an office. So if you ask me, it was my dream come true when we had our first office in Dubai. You know, it was a very challenging process to work in a place where you don't have an office. So, you know, if you ask me, it was a very, very, very delightful event having an office, 2-3 years back when Raj started off. So, you know, I can't thank everybody who supported in getting an office space in Dubai. It's not only a boost for the business, but also for the team out there who have got an address to say about it. And my tenure from 2010 to 2014, I used to hop around net cafes to sit and send out an email. At that time, we used to have Blackberries, which doesn't. It was not a very user-friendly phone as what we have today. But at that time, we didn't have any other option other than scouting around the net cafes. So I used to take jackfruit chips and bribe a net cafe guy to give me a space out there to sit and work. So if you look at all these incidents, having an office in Dubai is definitely a splendid, a milestone in our journey. That's it, and congrats to all to have this new space. I look forward to seeing that space very soon. Thank you all.
If you are today with this new office, second best new office, and I think it's because of one man like Shalu, who's walked the roads and corridors and office, and as he was mentioning, he's very modest in the way he put it, but I understand. Selling in a market where you don't have your own office, you don't have an office interest. And I think, we've come a long way, and it's because of the trusted leaders, because of the passionate and committed leaders like Shalu, predominantly who made this happen, in getting to where we are right now. So leaders like Sandeep Matthias, who are holding and driving and enhancing the market power of ours. Can't thank you guys enough, and you guys are the pillars and reasons for us to be doing what we're doing today. And I think I would encourage more leaders to be part of this great moment to lift the organization in Dubai and the brand and facilitate to the next level. So I still remember Shalu's stories that he tells before 2014 and seeing now where and how we are. I think it's truly a journey that we've come along. And I think it's a world journey, and it's a great moment where it's people like Shalu, Malini, and Aditya, and people who sort of been in the system and helped us to get here. Not to mention Suganani, they've been kind enough to come to Dubai, come to GCC at any time that we want. So long-standing leaders, particularly like Shalu, kind of built this and drove this market to what it is today. So let's make it work, let's make it count, and let's kind of look forward to expanding this office to a much bigger, better one very soon. So thank you, thanks Shalu, thanks Sandeep.
Thank you all.
Thank you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.